Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum and very good afternoon today. And in Sydney, we also have amazing day. And today it is very bright day. And today, friends, I'm going to share with my one recipe, very tasty and yummy. And we're going to show this salmon. All right, so we're going to uh, marinate our salmon. So we already took here about 2 cutlets and 2 pieces of salmon, which is like half kilo, and we need one medium size lemon, right? And we need yogurt. So we're going to make our marination. So for marination salmon we need about 2 to 3 spoon, just 2.5 spoon of yogurt, our creamy yogurt, then this one, and I'm going to use half lemon actually for that my recipe. You can use one lemon, it's up to you, but I'm just using half lemon, should be enough for me. Okay, mix this lemon with this yogurt, already mixed. Now going to add up our spices. So first is about half a spoon coriander powder, half a spoon chili powder, half a spoon garam masala, and about quarter spoon we add quarter spoon turmeric powder. Okay, and salt as per your taste. I'm just mixing here about half a spoon salt. And just additional about half a spoon coriander seed, a little bit crack in the pounding thing, just a little bit crack, and just put it in this our marination. Okay, so all our marination in the yogurt. Okay, I just tasted how is our everything. Yep, all good. Goes to that marination bowl. Just marinate properly both sides. I'm just going to additional my 2 chilies because we got some marination left over. So we just cut it into this chili half like this. Okay, and this one as well, cut it from the middle, right, and fill this marination inside the chili like that. It's very yummy and tasty, and Alright, so this is our marination ready for fry now. Okay friend, now we just turn on our flame, just medium flame, and 2 tablespoons oil. Spread the oil all over the fry pan surface. Okay, you can fry. It's friend, this optional for you guys. You can put it the grill this salmon or oven inside your oven, or just simply fry on the fry pan. So I'm going to fry here, and this marination you can fry in 2 parts as well. Like first, only just you put it in your fry pan, only this fish, right? And next part, you can put it this leftover marination and chili. So it's up to you. You can put it together, or you can put it in 2 parts, right? So, but I'm just going to put in 2 parts. You know, just 3 minutes one side, and turn around, and 3 minutes other side. You know, that should be enough. Yeah, look at that. Look at the texture. How beautiful texture. A little bit brown. And same this piece. Just turn another side, and look at that. Beautiful. Let's let it move. Look at that beautiful texture. Right. And we can add it up that little bit leftover marination thing. Our marination is also cooked, so we can pour and just put it, transfer into this dish out on this plate with our salmon. Alright, viewers, so look at that. That's our salmon. How beautiful the texture, you know, and I can show you when you cut the bite. Look at that, how soft, how juicy, and the marination thing. So you can taste it. Very yummy, very tasty, beautiful. So alright guys and my friends, so this today's recipe. I hope you enjoy my recipe, and you can try at home that recipe. So I will come up with new video very soon. So, and please like, share, and subscribe my channel. So I will come up next video.